Christmas subscribers! Merry Christmas to you all. And if you're not a subscriber, Merry Christmas. Well, today, short and sweet, I'm going to go to a beach and try and cook Christmas dinner. Roast Christmas dinner on a beach from a camper van. Can it be done? Is it possible? We're about to find out, so let's check this out. Whoop, whoop. So it seems like a lot of people have got the same idea as me, and I've rocked up to the beach. So that's not ideal, as I'm gonna have a fire. So this is my spot. This is where I'm having my Christmas day. I always like a challenge. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. And a Happy New Year. Well, not yet, because that's a whole new episode. I think this is going to be amazing. Yeah, dirty dog. We've got pasta, some carrots, broccoli, a sweet potato, an onion, some potatoes, and of course it wouldn't be Christmas without some sprouts. That's me veggies. Oh, put some more in here. Right. And what else do I need to do with that? Now this is where it gets complicated. Look at my piece of roast beef. Ooh, bleeding. And that's where it gets complicated. My plan is, I think we should sear the meat first. So first up, Gordon Ramsay, suck my cock. Well, I better not start with that one because it's probably going to be a fucking disaster because I've never done this before. Now, I've cooked Christmas dinner, but like, I think everyone's got to acknowledge that this is a challenge. But what I'm going to do first is sear the meat. So get on my stove. Fire in the hole and whack on my piece of beef. Right, it's getting tricky because it's like you're having to find everything. Black pepper, smash that on there like that. Jamie Oliver, are you watching? Smash all that black pepper. Just smash it on. Don't worry about how much you're getting on there. Just give it a good old blast. And then, courtesy of the Bluebell, I like to just put a very small bit of mustard. And as we're turning it over, all we're doing is searing the meat. Not cooking it, searing it. So we've had a good bit of searing. Just get my fingers in there. Don't mess about. Let's have a look. Can you see it's started to look pretty sexual. A little bit longer of that. And we're on the next stage. So, bit of tin foil. Make it quite big. Rip that puppy off. And then get our piece of beef. Oh, it's windy. And whack it in the centre. I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Yeah, I got my beef in the piece of centre. Now what I'm going to do, give it some more black pepper. You really got to like get this flavour in there somehow. mustard, ram that on. Don't matter if it's not very pretty, because it's just going to sort it out as it goes along. So what I'm going to do now is get my lard, cut some slithers like that, look, can you see them? Yep. I'm going to waz one of them on the top, and one on the side, and another one on the other side. So there we go. We've got our like dirty bit of beef. More black pepper. Just hammer it in. Don't be too fussy, it's like more the better. Roast beef, it's gonna be good. Roast beef. What am I joking, am I? Roast beef, yeah, but it's gonna happen. Have faith, I have faith. So we've got like a bomb. Yeah? There we go. Right, next part. Forgot. Put some gravy granules in the top, that's what I've done. But I'm also gonna chop up a bit of this onion and stick it in the top of it and just see what happens with it. What I'm going to do now is peel everything that I want to roast. So I've got some potatoes, parsnips and sweet potato. I'm going to peel them all and then I'm going to quickly boil them, yeah? Not to cook them all the way through, but just to make it so that it's a bit easier for when I like do my roast. So look, I've got my veggies in I'm going to roast later. I've got too much, there's only me, yeah, but I'm going to just like stick it on the fire and see what all of that happens, because I'm not so sure that everything's going to turn out amazing, so I better, it'd be a lot better to see how it goes, because after giving Gordon Ramsay a bit of a like, yeah, stick that up you, if he ever watches this he's going to proper diss me. He's like, you're a dickhead. Why did you think you could do roast beef from a camper van on Christmas Day? Because that's what I'm going to try and do. So as you can see now, we're like proper cooking with gas. I've got the veggies on there. So in here, we've got broccoli. And underneath there, I've got my carrots and my sprouts. And what I'm going to use is the water. When I finish with this, I'm going to pour the water into there. And then that'll be ready for later. Oh, well, it's hard being chef, photographer, director and special effects. But look, I'm cooking Christmas dinner on a beach. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. So it's time to build the fire pit. Hooper scooper. That's our fire, look. All tray. With an old lamp. That's what we're going to cook the meat on top of that in that tray that I've made already, alright? So, they're nicely cooked, well, they're blanched. What I'm going to do now, bang some black pepper on them, some more of the lard on top of it, and some thyme, and then wrap them up and stick them in my tray, ready to go with the meat. So I'm going to show you quickly. There you go, can you see? Bit of lard, the veggies. So I'm going to wrap them up, and then it's starting to get dark, which is cool, because people will fuck off. And I'm going to light the fire shortly. The best thing about this is it's keeping me warm. Crazy on the beach. Crazy on the beach. So while that's cooking, I'll have to go back into my van, get my couch, have a bit of a chill out. Watching my dinner through the van window, cooking. Is it gonna work? What do you think? So my veggies are done. Let's go outside and see what happened to the beef and what happened to everything else. So I'm gonna go bring it all in. So I'm sorry the light's not very good in here, but this is my roasties. They look alright, look. So what I'm going to do is it's very hard to like hold this at the same time, but there's my beef, look at that, wow. I've done it. Right, so I'm going to plate it up and we'll see if it looks like a Christmas dinner when I've done it, alright? Oh, so I carved up my roast beef. And it looks absolutely amazing. You know, normally when you take it out the oven and then you take the tin foil off to just like harden it up a bit. Well, I didn't need to. And I swear down, it's well nice. Here it is. Camper van, Christmas dinner. I don't need the torch to see my tea, but you need the torch to see my tea. Look. Oh my days! Oh yeah. Oh man, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. Oh. I ain't kidding you. Oh, the parsnips have got like a smoky taste from being roasted, but it's nice. Oh man. That beef is so good. So, this is really good. I'm really impressed with myself. I'm impressed! I'm really impressed! It's well good. It's better than if I cooked it at home. Where's that torch gone? Well, I know that roast got a bit charred, but look at it. Sweet potato, the parsnips have come out really amazing. The beef, I did good. So, now I can have a beer, because I hadn't had one all day. The motto of this story is, anything is possible. Anything is absolutely possible. Don't let anybody ever tell you that you cannot achieve something or do something. It is completely fucking possible. If you can think it, you can create it. If you can think and create it, you can make it happen. It's only just fucking make yourself do it. Sponsored by San Miguel. Welcome to you deserve this. Look, the way I look at my life is there's a lesson from everything. Everything that goes on, like, I'm a master at coping in the face of adversity. So many people that have said to me, how can you do this? I'd have given up ages ago. Blah, blah, blah. But you know what? The sense of achievement. It's amazing. I'm proud of myself. I'm fucking proud of myself. For my dinner, and my stomach, and my face, Merry Christmas, motherfuckers! This is the end of 2017.